Pupunta kami sa school.
The bus picks him up.
Mag-ask kami anong kailangan niya.
Picks him up on that corner right there and drops him off either there
In
or
that area?
Yeah, right here.
Kasi magpasok ka na dito, hindi pa kasi siya na-enroll.
Yeah, you don't want to walk this, especially it's 2 miles, almost 2 miles. And it
She
takes-
can walk if she want.
She can. It's just gonna take like about 30 minutes to walk it minimum.
Yeah.
That's if you get a good walking pace.
Nalaman namin ngayon kung anong requirements. But I think it's just the last card, right? Because the form
they're gonna ask for a fish.
the form 137, I think the school will request that one school to school, right?
Yeah, they'll have to request. I don't know.
Yeah.
Well, they'll tell us what they need and how they need to do it. I'm not worried about that.
Ready ka na sa school mo, Jaislyn?
It's nervous, right?
No, she can handle that one.
No, she will. It's something new. It's just like everything, something new.
I like that bicycle ride, like that.
No,
The side mirror.
no.
Why?
Because if you fall, that side mirror goes into your chest or your stomach. It's a spear.
We walk down in that area, right?
We walked it. No, not down there. We haven't walked. You can't walk down there. That's a lake.
Where?
We've walked
Yeah,
this
yeah.
before. We've walked almost all the way up before, and we walked on the other side of it on the main road up there.
Pakita ko sa'yo saan yung school.
Right here is about the halfway point.
Yeah.
There's a lot of kids that ride their bikes too,
Going there?
but it's too hot. In the summer, it's too hot, and then plus you don't know if it may be raining that day too.
Yeah.
But the rain just opens up out of nowhere.
So, she will ride a bus.
Yeah. Or you get to drive it.
No, thank you. I'm not ready for the thing.
The problem is that there's a lot of kids, and I'll show you. The line just starts to pile up on the back, and you're waiting forever.
So that's why the bus is good, because I think the bus will
It takes longer, but it's like
go in, right?
Yeah, for us, you're not waiting. For high school is different.
So, in this side, we will turn left, right?
Yeah, right. Why would I turn left if I'm in this lane going that way?
Right pala. Malapit lang yung school niya dito. Kaso kailangan siyang mga 30 minutes paglakarin. Pero siguro i-bus na lang namin siya para mas madali. Ayoko din maghatid. Natatakot ako. Is this one right?
Yep.
Yeah, ito yung magiging school niya
Now where
dito.
the front of the school is a different story. Because it all looks like the front, but it's not the front. I think we gotta go around the side, but I'm not positive.
Yung magiging school niya. Oh, Jesus Christ.
I don't know. I shouldn't have do that.
This is just one floor or second floor?
It's all one story. It's just big.
Ang laki pala ng school.
Which building? I think the offices are on this side. If you drop off here, but the
This
offices
side?
are over here. Yeah. Definitely the offices are over here. This is where
Some kids also is here.
yeah, because they gotta sign up too. You gotta get kids that are new and. At least I get shade.
Yeah, maybe this side.
That's all when I have shade.
Laki pala ng school.
See right there's the bike place. You could
Yeah.
ride a bike if you wanted to. Can we sign that way?
Ang laki ng school. Ang laki ng school. Parang mas matangkad ako sa mga
Hey, we each gotta do it. We gotta wait.
Hello?
We gotta do this. So don't go in there. It's security.
Mahigpit yung school nila nito. Daming security.
Right here, there's a picture of everything, but it's the same thing over here. This is everything we offer here. What sport do you play?
Volleyball.
Volleyball? Wonderful. What about you?
Volleyball. She wanna do volleyball.
All right. Well, I'm an ex-volleyball mom, so I can tell you clubs, everything. My daughter played, and she graduated with her bachelor's from FIU.
Tapos na kaming nag-inquire sa school, guys. Ang problema namin is ang hinihingi ng school is yung card na, is a report card from grade 6, right?
We need the 6th and 7th, we need the medical stuff.
Mahigpit sila dito. Need mong ipamedical yung anak mo, need kumpleto ng bakuna. Tapos, kailangan maglaro sila ng sports.
Hindi naman, pero kung gusto mo lang daw.
Maglaro ka dyan para papayat ka. Maano sila, medyo mahigpit. Mahigpit sila. Yung health, kailangan.
Yeah, that's the first call you're gonna be making is to
Kailangan yung address
Hey,
namin.
seatbelt or you-
Ay, kikijubot. Yung address namin, kailangan nakaano kami doon sa...
So I'm gonna take the school bus, right?
No.
Hindi. Tapos hindi siya
Maybe
allowed.
not, you may be too close for the school bus.
Hindi siya allowed mag-school bus kasi 2 meters, how?
1.2.
2 meters.
What is that?
2 miles.
2 miles. Kailangan siyang 2 miles yung bahay. Ang allowed lang nila na mag-school bus daw, kailangan 2 miles away from the school. Kung medyo malapit ka sa school, hindi ka allowed na mag-school bus. So, kailangan siyang ihatid. Kailangan siyang sunduin. Kailangan na matutong mag-drive nito. Jesus
Drive ka
Christ.
na mabagay sa'yo mag-drive.
Ah! Wag na.
Parang,
Wag na, oy. Ay, kijubot na.
Why do you flip that over? You know that happens. Don't mix those papers again.
I get nervous every time Uncle John like this to the side.
Medyo mahigpit yung school niya.
Kasi nandun.
Ganon din siguro talaga dito sa lahat. Hindi naman siya private, pero ano siya. Pagpasok mo pa nga lang, hindi ka makakapasok eh. Kasi kailangan i-scan yung ID mo. Bago ka makapunta doon sa registration, kailangan meron pang isang lobby doon. Medyo may pagkaano doon. Pero lahat naman siguro yung school dito. Pero maganda yung school. The school is clean, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's non-bullying.
Then may nakalagay doon,
They all say that,
non-bullying.
Jason. Well, of course it's not bullying. What are they gonna say? We encourage bullying. We encourage it.
Buangon ka talaga. Hindi ka pwedeng mahiya doon, Jaislyn. You don't need to be shy. I need to look if...
Volleyball nga tayo sa labas. Magta-try ako.
Oh, done.
Yeah,
She
good luck.
said she need to practice the volleyball.
Yeah, I'm gonna play with her.
So we need to go to the
Play
park.
with her. Play with who?
With you.
Doon na
Why'd
sa
you say
labas
her?
ng bahay.
No, di allowed dyan, Jaislyn. It's not allowed to play outside, Jaislyn. There's
What do
a
you mean,
designated park that can play outside.
What are you talking about? You can
She
play-
want to play the outside in the outside of the house. It's not allowed.
Yes, you can. Why
No.
can't you?
Yeah, you
Yes, you
can.
can.
No. it's
Yes,
not
you
safe.
just learn to pass. You're just gonna learn to bump.
Bam ka dyan. Did you see the kids playing outside?
You don't see anybody outside.
Yeah, that's why we need
They
to go to the
allow. They
park.
play out. You can play outside. Jeez.
You don't need to go that far. Just to...
But you need to learn, Jaislyn, how to. But the other kids don't know English, right? Because there's a Spanish in there.
Yeah, but most kids learn.
I think I'm
English.
gonna learn
Should be
Chinese.
fun.
I'm gonna take
Chinese.
I don't even know if
Huh?
that was an option.
Dalawa kasi parang yung ano nila dito, may Spanish at saka yung Spanish at saka English.
I'm gonna take Spanish.
And I don't know why they asked the report card from grade 6.
I don't know either.
Kakaiba sila dito. Alam mo, di ba, mag-grade 8 na si
If you don't have it,
Jaislyn.
you just need
Because
whoever.
I didn't go to elementary
Yeah.
school. That's why.
Di ba, si Jaislyn is mag-grade 8 na. Di ba sa Pinas is ang
Yeah, but if you
hinahanap.
pass 6th or 7th grade, you're ready for the 8th grade.
Yeah. Di ba ang hinahanap sa atin is yung last year na report card nila. Halimbawa, mag-grade 8 na siya, so dapat grade 7. Di ba man sa kanila dito? Ang hinanap nila is yung nung grade 6 siya. Saan ko kaya hagilapin tong card na yun? Kasi nung grade 6 pa siya eh. Yung hinahanap nila, hindi yung card niya na 7 eh. Kasi yun yung hiningi namin sa school eh. Kasi nag-umpisa na nga siya dun sa Pinas, di ba? Tapos ngayon, yung grade 6 na card yung hinahanap nila. Ewan ko bakit yung grade 6 na card yung hinahanap nila. So dito na pala kami sa ano, dumating na kami sa bahay namin. Malapit lang kasi yung school dito. Yan na, bahay namin. Ano yung bahay namin? So bye guys. Excited na si Jaislyn sa school guys. Excited na din si Jan mag send and pick up her.
Nope.
Ah, who will pick
Learn
up
how
her?
to drive.
Yeah, teacher.
All right, you're gonna have to
Teacher.
learn how to drive.
No,
girl.
so
Or you
bye
get the bike
guys.